Hi, this is Jesse Barkasy, and it is September 1st, 2011, and I want to give you a quick introduction to Mesa9. Mesa9 is a social network, a very simple one where you can communicate back and forth with your friends anywhere in the world through public posts, private posts, or private messages. Very simple, very clean, and I wanted to have something where we couldn't get spammed, where you wouldn't have to be bombarded with certain games and so forth, and where you had a good control of the messages that are coming into you. So we are ad driven. As you can see, there's an ad up top there for Michael's store right now, and that's funny because my nephew works there, and there's a Quiznos ad in the bottom. And you go sign up here, and first read this code word. If you cannot read it, just refresh and you'll get another code word before you fill out all the forms here. Okay, and you put your email, your password, you re-enter your password, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your gender, your country, and your state. Okay, and then you put in the code down here and then click to agree to the terms of service. We don't have the terms of service ready right yet, but basically it's going to be you are responsible for your posts, and we will not tolerate any obscene posts, pretty much. And so then you would hit create my account, and you will get an email. Once you confirm that email, you can sign in. Okay, your email address and then your password. And if you forget your password, you can click there. And we've cleared everybody out. So anybody watching this who is already a Mesa9 participant, we cleared everybody out in the alpha test. So you will be able to have to start a new account and put your new photos in. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is how you post. Basically, we're a little bit different than the other social networks as we have a subject line. So you could type in something like cars, okay? And you hit public or private. If you hit private, the people that you are linked to will see the post. If you put public, everybody will be able to see it. And I put, say here, M-U-S-T-A-N-G, Mustang. If you want to put a photo or a video, you go to, say, YouTube, and you can go to a video. Let's go to another one here. Say I'll go to my video here, my other tutorial, and I put share, embed, and oops, I started talking there. What I do is I click embed and hit copy, and then I will hit paste here. And once I hit submit, that video will show up nice and clear and big on this screen here. And we did that for reasons so we don't have to store the videos, and they come out a little bit better. YouTube's storing them anyway, so or whatever Photoshop you use or Hulu, if they allow you to embed the video, you can embed it there, and anybody who's following you will then see this post. Okay, and to delete the post, you can hit here. Okay, if other people start to link on to my subject, they type in cars, okay, and cars will be there. So they hit cars and they don't click new topic. If you type new topic, you'll be a new owner of a cars subject. If not, you'll be linked to my cars, and it'll link us all together for the subject line. And they'll hit public, and they will be linked. Now once I hit delete on this post, or if I just hit cars, you'll see all the posts with cars, which is only one now. If I hit delete post, it'll just get rid of it. Very simple. And I hit home again. Okay, now, how do you see other people's posts? What you do is you go to the search here, and you type in, say, A, and then click either topics or profiles. I'll hit profiles, and search. And all you do is you click there's boxes usually here, but now they're check marks because I've connected to everybody. And you click the box and it turns into a green check mark. You don't have to hit enter or anything. It automatically turns green to a check mark. And as soon as you click that and then you hit home, or you hit the person's name, you'll see all of their posts. Okay, so you'll see those posts. And you will be automatically connected to Mesa9 support. If you see any problems, we are in beta phase, which means we're still gonna, potentially find problems or want to suggestions for improvements. So you'll see this little guy with his thumbs up and the big head, and he will, you know, you could comment right here to comment. Now, in order, so you know how to look for people, you know how to see their posts. You hit home and you'll see their posts. If you just click on their name, you'll see their posts. Now, I'm going to show you how to allow other people to comment on your post, because we have a little control over commenting here too. We made a little extra control. And you click my name up here, and then I will click edit my profile. Okay, and I will go manage my profile configuration. And what it is I will want my email, all of my followers to reply to my topics or comment on my posts. So you can click check and check. And then anybody who follows you will be able to comment. Public email. This here, you can click it so nobody can see your email address when you when they follow you. That way you won't get spammed from certain companies. I'm really big on not getting spammed. My email folder gets filled all the time, my email inbox, and it's just a pain in the neck because, you know, half the things I don't want or didn't ask for, and I really have no way of blocking them, just putting them into a junk folder, which I actually use for something else. Okay, so basically, if you want people to comment on your post, anybody, you do it here. Now, if you want certain people only to comment on your post, you can click home to start over again, make it easier. My followers and manage all. And right here, you click on if you want them to view your private post. If you don't want them to, you click it off. That's when you click private and you post something. And if you want them to reply to your topics, you click those on. If you want to allow them to comment on your post, you allow it right here. Now, if it's on default, like I just showed you, they're all going to automatically fill. This way you can pick and choose, or if someone causes trouble, you can just click them off or on, depending if you want them to comment on your posts. So it's a very simple website, but I got a lot of controls in here. And I'll show you one more aspect of Mesa9. The big reason we call it Mesa9, Table 9, is we have something called groups here. I didn't make any groups yet. So what you do is you go manage all, okay, and create a new group. And say I want a group called people who like golf. And I would pick some people that I, you know, think play golf with me, you know, or want to talk about golf a lot. There's James and Michelle and Randy and Kim and Julia, okay? And then I hit save. And now anytime I hit golf, I will only see their posts. Okay, only the people who are in the golf group. Now if I want to manage that group some more, I can actually manage the group, and I could add or delete people in and out. Very nice feature. They don't know they're in a group. You can tell them if you want or not. It doesn't matter. It's your personal group. Okay, and I'm just going to close this. And I'm going to say delete this group because I didn't set up my groups yet. And that's just a way where if you like certain people's posts, maybe you like 10 people's posts, but you're following 5,000 people, you can just click that group and make sure you don't miss their post each day or each week or whatever you like. There's a lot more features to Mesa9, but I'm going to leave it there. I'll give you one more little thing. You can see who else is online here. And it's pretty much an easy service there. And you see I'm seeing the post here. I've made most of them because we're just literally starting. And you click here. That's how you comment back to somebody. Okay, and I'll give you one more feature. If you want to do a private message to somebody, if you want to send a private, you click My Messages here. And you click Send a New Message. And when you type in the person's name, you have to be connected to them. Okay, there's a whole bunch of people with the M in their name, and you click one of them. Type in a subject, blah, 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 a comment, balloon. And it will, oops, got an error there. It will send. Let me see if I could send one to myself. Hold on, I just want to see. My Messages, new message. Let's see. No, it's not letting me send. I was going to show you what it does. So that's a good thing. It's not letting me send myself. What will happen when you send a message, there'll be a little red flash up here and at the bottom in your links in the bottom there from this page. And there'll be it'll say 1 or 2 messages, and to delete the message or to mark it as read, you click here on the side. It'll be here. So that is how you send private messages on Mesa 9, and then just click home on top to get back to your everyday posts. And I made it mostly because it's things that I like that certain websites didn't have. And I hope you use it. Spread the word. If I start getting a lot of hits and making a little bit of ad revenue, I can actually put some more money into the site, and I will add a lot of nice features. But the basic thing is you can't get spammed because you choose to follow people. They can follow any of your public posts. Anybody can. You could unsubscribe them or block them. But it's very simple. You follow them, they follow. You don't have to have an agreement to follow someone's post. So I like that aspect. But if someone starts spamming your comments, all you do is unfollow them, and they won't be able to see your comments or comment on you anymore. Very simple. I'm hoping this gets used by, just for example, an automobile company wants to post all the cars they have for sale on the weekend, or a restaurant wants to post a menu. They can post their whole menu, and we actually have little colors here. You can make letters in red. You could change the color for emphasis, or blue there. You could change the color. You could outline it, shade it. And I'm hoping restaurants and businesses use it to communicate. So you like certain restaurant, you want to know the specials every day, so you'd follow them, and they'd copy and paste the specials right here. And you'd see at a certain time the specials that they have before lunch or dinner, and you'd be able to decide whether you wanted to go there. So I'm hoping businesses start to use this too, because we have a large amount of characters that we allow too. I'm not even sure. I think it's upwards of 3,000 characters. So you could also write a full article on something like nutrition or sports or exercise, whatever your business is, or whatever your entertainment is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and have a great day. And please use Mesa 9 and spread the word. I do need help marketing this, because I pretty much put a lot of my savings into this, and I'm hoping this starts to work, and it's a free service, and I'm hoping to keep it that way. Thank you very much.